Never walked this much foot. Now if I I think with this socket I can even run. Of course that foot is not good, but still I can little bit like jog. Maybe if I put one more socks, I can run. Yeah, I can walk very fast, like zoop. Without like, see fast, if I'm walking fast, then also my body is so straight. Fast, but still straight. I can do fashion walk. Thank you, Max.
And Macy, could you compare used socket and new socket?
What is the difference?
Yeah, different.
The first difference is about the socket was very loose, and now this is perfect fit. I need not to even put this socks. I need not to put this socks. Then also it's very comfortable. I can walk very freely. That's the one thing. Second thing, when I was walking in that previous foot, my alignment was going towards the left side. Now my foot is, both my foot are very straight, perfectly aligned. So I think these two things are. I think the most important is socket for any amputee. If the socket is good for any amputee, he can walk very freely. And same thing goes with me. Socket is perfect.
Done?
Done.
Yeah. Thank you for visit here.
Yes.
And if you have problem, please call me.
For sure.
Anyway, anytime.
Every time.
Yeah.